The surface area of a cylinder, as shown here, is determined by its two base areas plus its perimeter times height. You can see the two bases of the cylinder on the top and the bottom, and then the perimeter in the middle being multiplied by its height, showing how it creates the cylinder. Okay, first question. Find the surface area of a cylinder where its height is 9 and its radius is 5. The answer was 224 pi. Next up is a cube, or a rectangular prism. A cube's surface area is calculated by getting the two bases plus pH, which is perimeter times height. Question 2. Find the surface area of a rectangular prism where its length is 10, width is 10, and height is 12. The answer is 680. Next up are cones. Their surface area is calculated by getting its circular base, times 1/2 times perimeter times the slant height, which is the hypotenuse if you were to draw a triangle from its side. It is also pi r squared plus pi r times the slant height. Question 3. Find the surface area of a cone where its radius is 9 and its slant height is 5. The answer was 126 pi. Triangular prisms, which is pretty much the follow-up of a rectangular prism. It is created with base area, which is the two triangular bases, plus the triangle's perimeter times the height. Find the surface area of a triangular prism where its altitude is 8, its base is 5, and its length is 9. Its base is also split up into a 2 and a 3, adding up to 5. The answer was 236.1. Second to last, spheres. I'm just gonna say it, there is no easy way to break down how a sphere is made. Just know that its surface area is 4 pi r squared. Number 5. This one's really easy, so I'm gonna only give 15 seconds for this one. Find the surface area of a sphere where its radius is 5. The answer was 100 pi. Lastly, pyramids. You want to get the base area of, well, the base. Usually it's a square, but sometimes it'll be a triangle or a hexagon. Or... Then you get its perimeter, and then you multiply that by the slant height. So it's base area plus 1/2 perimeter times slant height. Final question number 6. Find the surface area of a pyramid that's base is square, is 8 by 8, and its slant height is 5. The answer is 144. And that wraps up this video. Hopefully now you know the surface area of a whole bunch of shapes.